you work with that contrast? And then to you, Zachary, as well, how do you work that together, you and Zoe?
Well, first of all, I think that the dynamic between Spock and Uhura and Kirk is so valuable to the overall story of the film because it provides a certain levity and a certain humor in the dynamic. But I also think it's really important because in a lot of ways this relationship is a canvas on which Spock is able to project a lot of the emotions that he can't express. And I think that scene in the elevator that you're referring to is a prime example of that. Zoe is, even though JJ made her say it, is indeed an absolutely phenomenal actress, and to work so closely with her and to be so supported and to have her be so open was such, I remember that day vividly among the many days that we spent working on this film. It's phenomenal.
En primer lugar, la dinámica que se establece entre esos tres realmente es algo sumamente valiosa para la película. Es decir,